June. So this is the first video yet. I'll be dropping stock watch lists almost every Sunday. I know there's no mic and everything right now, no camera as well, but there will be soon. The quality is also gonna improve. But yeah, let's get into it. So we're gonna look at start on daily first, because that's what I do. Just look at the market overall. I mean, it's a new year, new trades. Just tap in. So yeah, normally I'd have something like this. As y'all can see, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher like. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and move this. I use trend lines and key levels to trade. That's how I trade. I don't use any indicators or anything like that. I just believe in technical analysis. No bougie shit. And I usually start on the 4 hour. Last week, I had a key level around this area, so I'm just gonna highlight it. As y'all can see, it's like a strong key level. It's a strong support here. It touched so many times and bounced off. It has never broken since from here. I don't know, the 23rd of December. It's been bouncing off, going up, bouncing off, going up. So that's it. Then I had another one here, and y'all can see same reaction: bounce off, bounce off, bounce off, bounce off. It's like this one I can easily, since this one is a strong support, like it has many touches in etc, whereas this one is like a few. There's a 4 hour support and I have like 1 hour support etc, and this one would normally be my 1 hour 30 minutes to scalp and just in and out. So then there's this. I had a key level around here. I think it's not as strong, but as you guys can see, support, resistance, support. Then here it just broke out. So what I'm assuming for this week is that I don't know, why is it so slow? As y'all can see, what I'm assuming for this week is that this comes like, where's the arrow? This comes here, breaks out, retests, and flies all the way up to that key level, the 4 hour, the one I marked, like up here. Hopefully, market is you can't predict anything that happens. All you can do is just analyze and hope for the best. Believe in your trades, though. I'm not saying don't. Just believe in your trades. Know what you're doing. etc. So as you guys can see, trend line, uptrade, bro. It's an uptrend. It's probably gonna come here, here. But we'll see. If it does break here, though, if it does break, like goes like this, I'm waiting for a retest on this resistance here and all the way down. That's what I'm looking for. If it does break, that's only if it breaks. I'm only gonna enter sales if it breaks here. That's it for US30. Let's look at gold. 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 Gold looks good too. Uptrend. Higher lows, higher highs. Just it's crazy, man. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher low. It's a uptrend. Looks good. I'm just hoping I see something here though. Let's dive into the 4 hour and see what's happening. I wouldn't normally start my analysis here, but I did last week and it kind of makes sense. I'm gonna use it again this week. I'm just gonna use it for guideline though, not that. 1 hour dive in. We have a support and resistance level right here. I mean, it's been moving clean though. Here. What I expect of gold, or what I'm hoping for, is that it breaks this level here and gives us what US30 I said it's gonna give us. Just bounce off here, give us that resistance and just that support. I mean, and just bounce off and go high. But if it doesn't, that means it's gonna resist this area, since on the daily, this is the highest point on the daily so far. From here, you understand? It's the highest point, so I'm just hoping if it breaks, it gives us a retest. Just to add something I missed while editing, on gold, there's this, as I said, I was expecting it to break here and just climb up, but there is a chance of it coming all the way down here and just bouncing off and just, we're gonna look at the German now. Start on the daily as usual. A lot of this currencies are similar. Like this week, it's a new year, a lot has been going on. A lot is still to go on. NFP, I don't know when CPI is, but I'm hoping that's good if there is for this month. And as I said for gold, this level, no, wrong indicator. This level. Okay, let me remove the drawings first. This level. That's what I see on the daily highest point so far, as y'all can see. So I'm just hoping it breaks and gives us that retest. Same situation, bro. This is how I trade, I've been trading like this forever and it's been working for me. I just hope this analysis helps you out. I'm not saying everything is gonna happen the way I said it is. The market is unpredictable, but that's what I'm seeing so far. I mean, it's a bit weird, German. Like there's not a lot of volume in the candles, as you can see. Look at this. I think this was because of NFP on Friday. Yeah, I think it was because of NFP or something. But we can work with this. Let me dive into 1 hour. Put it like this. First, my trend lines. Nah, let me just use. I'm just gonna put it like that. I mean, it's a bit. Yes, German 30 is a bit sketch. The volume in the candles are not. They're not looking good at all. I don't know why that is. I haven't been trading German for a while now. It's been, I think, the whole December I haven't traded. So basically the whole December. But what I'm hoping for, it's January now. Same thing as gold, same thing as US30. Breaks out, retests. Why am I using the wrong indicators? Breaks out, retests. Those higher highs, higher lows. And those and gives us that pattern, man. Where you put trend lines like this. This is the market basically. Trend line like this, then it breaks out. It breaks out, or it can break out, come back to this trend line and just tap it and go all the way up. So now we're gonna look at US 500. I like this. It's like US 30, nice movement sometimes. It is US 30 basically. Less volatile and everything like that. But let's remove the drawing, start off daily, let's see what's happening. Same movement, literally. Higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. It's just the same thing all over again. Normally I'd just do this. and that. This is just for guidance to show you how it's going up, you know, the trend lines and etc. Because I wouldn't put my trend lines on a daily normally, because I scalp sometimes. I'm gonna remove this for now because it's looking a bit messy. Here, just gonna mark this point. I'm just gonna mark this, mark the lowest point it has reached so far. Dive into the 1 hour, see what's happening, you know. Okay, support, so many touches, and I caught this last week. I think I'd shared it with my friends. I'll show y'all that in a few. I caught this and I said it was gonna bounce off here, since it's like, as I said, a lot of touches. And the way trading works, or the way the market works, is the more it touches, the more volume and strength it gets, you know. So first touch, second touch, third touch, and I caught it here, I think, and I said to them, it is gonna go up, and it did all the way here. So what I'm hoping for this is the same thing as the other ones I've shown y'all so far, is that it breaks, comes back like some type of way. I mean, it did break already, but I'm not satisfied with the way it is, and just flies all the way up. So now we're gonna dive into the 30 minutes. Let's see. Okay, 15. Yeah, okay. Let me do this just to make it clear. No. Do this just to make it clear. Dive into the 15 minutes. We'll see how this closes, but I think hopefully it doesn't break, you know, and give us this pattern instead, and shoots all the way down. But I see that happening, because look at US30, for example. It has reached its peak basically from NFP, so it's looking just to gain some volume, you know, go all the way down, as I said, come back up, break, retest, go back up. So that's what I'm seeing for US 500 as well. Breaking, I see it like breaking here, no retest or anything like that, just hitting this level, because there was a key level here, a small key level, you know, that 15-minute 1 hour key level, touching here as well, then flying all the way up, or coming here, retesting, and flying all the way up, something like this, you know. The last one I'm gonna look at for today is GBP JPY. That's one I trade as well. Dive into that 1 hour quick. Okay, the daily, I mean, what am I saying? Dive into that 4 hour volume as well. I could have caught this last week, I think I did as well. This small trade here, this is scalping basically. It broke out here. Normally as soon as it breaks out, I would have entered at this candle, put my stop loss around here. How many? No, I'm tripping, wait. Put my stop loss around here. But this would be a small trade. I'd use like lot size, maybe a small lot size, because of the pips I'm risking, you know. Then just have my TP all the way here. But that's not the point for now. We're trying to see what's happening this week. So remove this, remove that. Looks kind of weird, like German. but normally I'd have something like this. You know, it's in a strong consolidation area here. Not strong, but it hasn't broken out here for a little minute. So I don't know. I just wait for it to either break here, give me a retest and fly all the way up, or come all the way here, retest and fly all the way down. I wouldn't enter any buys or sells because it's in a very weird area, you know. Very volume is weird, everything about it is just weird. So I just wait for it to give me more volume. And this is not like GPP, JPY. It gives you a lot of volume. And I think this was because of NFP as well. So I just wait for it to just break, retest, and just, yeah. And that's it, man.